Okay, hello everyone. So I'm gonna start to make very simple tutorial in Fusion 360, which is very basic things that you need to know before you start design further. So I just want to talk about the features called Extrude right here, but before that we need a 2D sketch to be extruded with. Okay, so I'm started with very zero. I don't even save this one yet, still untitled. So let's just start. First is we need to create sketch here and click some plane that you wanted to draw with. It could be any plane, but I prefer with the top plane here. So let's say that we wanted to make a glass like this. Okay, let's say that we have a glass that it has maybe 60 millimeters in diameters, like this, and then we click solid, then click extrude, and all you need to do is just extrude it. You just pull it right here until you have the thickness that you desire, the line that you desire. If you wanted to make some tube like this, but we just wanted to make glass, so we just take maybe 3 millimeters is really enough for that. And then create another sketch in the face of the extrusion that we create before, like this. Click the circle, click in the middle, make another circle with 60 millimeter wide, and we need to draw the inner diameter that you want it to be. Let's say that we want that this glass have 5 millimeter thickness, so we just create another 55 millimeters diameter like this. You can click it and click that, enter. That's it. You need two circle now. You have two circle now. Then you click the solid, extrude it again, and you click only this circle only. Okay, you didn't have to click this one because we need it to be not extruded. We only wanted to extrude this face, and then pull this design right here, or just type how long you wanted the glass to be. Let's say that we wanted the glass to maybe like 10 centimeters long, which is 100 millimeter, and then click OK, and that's it. We have our glass ready right there, but it is not actually glass. It is not looks like a glass because the material it's still using the stainless steel. So we need to change the appearance here. Click the bodies, right click, click the appearance, or you can just type the hotkeys A. You can see this. Okay, once the appearance tab is showed up, you can search right here, type glass, and then we have some options. I'm gonna take this glass with white color, blue, and click it, drag it to the body that you want to change the appearance, and voila, we have the glass ready. So this is our very simple tutorial in Fusion 360. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.